Welcome back to our 5th standard science online class, my dear students. Today in this session we are going to learn about very interesting lesson 7, skeletal system and nervous system. Let's start. Dear students, take page number 84 in your science book. Lesson 7, skeletal system and nervous system. Do you know what is an organ? What is an organ? An organ is a group of tissues that perform a specific functions in the body. What is an organ? An organ is a group of tissues that perform a specific function in the body. Dear students, take a pencil, look at the picture given, number the pictures and the organ system with their functions correctly to complete the links. In the first row, the organs are given. In the second row, organ systems are given. In the third row, functions of the organ systems are given. In the first row, what's the name of the first picture? The name of the first picture is brain. What's the name of the second picture? The name of the second picture is stomach. Then what's the name of the third picture? The name of the third picture is lungs. What's the name of the fourth picture? The name of the fourth picture is human skeleton. Then what's the main organ of the nervous system? Brain. So, brain links to nervous system. What's the main organ of the digestive system? Stomach. So, second one linked to digestive system. What's the main organ of the respiratory system? Lungs. So, third one linked to respiratory system. Then, what is the main organ of the skeleton system? Bone. So, fourth one match to skeletal system. Next, third row, functions of the skeletal system. What is the function of the respiratory system? The respiratory system helps in taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. So, the respiratory system links to second one of the third row. Next, nervous system. What's the function of the nervous system? Nervous system helps in think and do action. So, nervous system linked to third one of the third row. Next, skeletal system. What is the function of the skeletal system? The skeletal system give shape to the body. So, fourth one linked to the first one of the third row. Next, digestive system. What's the function of the digestive system? Digestive system helps in digesting food to give energy. So, digestive system linked to fourth one of the third row. All are completed? Yes. Next, there are different types of organ system in our body, but in this chapter we are going to learn about only two organ system. What are they? First one, the skeletal system, and second one, the nervous system. First, let's see skeletal system. Look at the picture given. First picture is a human skeleton. What is skeletal system? The skeletal system is a framework of bones that gives support to our body. There are 206 bones in an adult human skeleton. How many bones in our human body? Do you know? There are 206 bones in an adult human skeleton. The following picture shows the different parts of the human skeleton. First one, skull. Look at the picture. First part denote skull. The skull protects the brain. Which part protects the brain? The skull. The skull protects the brain. The skull of an adult human beings generally contains 22 bones. How many bones? 22 bones. All bones in the skulls are fixed except the lower jaw. The movable lower jaw enables us to talk and eat. So, these bones are not fixed. The upper and the lower jaws have teeth. Next, listen, rib cage. Second picture is a rib cage. Ribs are thin and curved bones that form a cage in the chest called the rib cage. Rib cage is a cage-like structure. The rib cage protects our heart and lungs. Which part protect the heart and the lungs? The rib cage. The rib cage protect our heart and lungs. Most people have 12 pairs of ribs. How many pairs of ribs? 12 pairs of ribs. A long bone at the center of the chest called sternum. What's the meaning of the term sternum? Do you know? A long bone at the center of the chest called sternum. Look at the picture given. What is sternum? A long bone at the center of the chest called sternum. Hold the ribs from the front. The sternum hold the ribs from the front. The ribs are also attached to the backbone at the back. However, the last two pairs of ribs are not attached to the sternum and so are called floating ribs. You can feel your ribs by running your fingers across the chest. Next, listen, backbone. Look at the picture given. The backbone protects the spinal cord. Which part protects our spinal cord? Backbone. It is made up of 33 small bones. How many bones? 33 small bones are called vertebrae. The backbone is also called the vertebral column. You can feel your backbone by running your hand along the central portion of your back. Thank you, dears.